BlueMetric is mission-ready water. We are world-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. BlueMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water. We are proud to partner with Atlantic Canadian Industries. We are mission-ready water.
Good morning, my name is Christina and we are here at the Maritime Arctic Safety and Security Conference, and we are here with Acada's podcast Over the Horizon, which is powered by Gale Force Winds. So I'm super happy to be here today with Abigail, and we'd like to also thank our lovely sponsor BlueMetric this morning. And Abigail is a student volunteering here at the conference this morning, and super excited to learn more about what brought you here, Abigail. And maybe to kick us off, you'd like to tell us a little bit about yourself. Sure. And what brings you to Mass this week.
Okay, so my name is Abigail House. I'm a Term 4 Ocean and Naval Architectural Engineering student at MUN. It's a big fancy way to say boats. 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 So I actually met Amanda Eade. She works with Acada. Yeah. A couple months ago at the Maritime conference. Cool. And she said, would you like to help out? And I said, absolutely. I love getting involved and seeing where I can grow in the industry as a student, like get my hands on some networking, like meet new people. I always find it really enriching to hear everybody's backstories and see where they're from, what their company does, why they love what they do. So that's why I'm here.
That's great. And I guess I love to see organizations like Acada engage students in these types of events and giving them opportunities to do exactly what you just listed. What does it mean to you to be invited to participate in an event like this with these types of companies and kind of in the sector you're pursuing your studies in? It's
huge. It's such an honor to be, like asked to participate in something like this. They're such large events that so much time and effort goes into by the companies that come to participate and the companies that sponsor, and to be asked as a student, it's just a huge opportunity. Like, you get to learn so much inside a classroom, and then you get to participate in events like this, and you get to see the real world applications of everything you do in school. It's really great to be able to meet so many wonderful people.
And that's an invaluable experience at the end of the day, getting the opportunity to kind of see what you're learning in the classroom at work, and interact and engage and meet with all kinds of different awesome companies who are here this week. What piqued your interest in ocean naval architecture originally to trigger you to pursue studies in that area? So,
fun story, my dad's an engineer. He's in civil, so I'd say hats off to him because he sparked the interest in engineering. I'm somebody who likes to learn how everything works. So when it came time to choose my discipline, it was something that I wanted to take kind of like all the routes in. I was like, oh man, I want to do mechanical, but I would love to also do a little bit of electrical, a little bit of civil, and really naval kind of captures all of that and puts it all in one. It's like a city on water. Like, I love the idea of boats and like how everything works together. So that's kind of what piqued my interest.
Cool. That's great. And going back to, I guess, what motivated you to pursue studies in this area, do you feel like, being from Newfoundland or growing up around the ocean, did that have an impact on your decision to pursue a career in this space?
Yeah, so absolutely. Like, growing up, my mom's family is actually from PEI, so I was back and forth from island to island a little bit. And being by the water and seeing all the boats and stuff like that, it's really cool being so near to such a large marine environment. And like, the industry is constantly growing, especially around Newfoundland because we are an island. So definitely.
Awesome. And so you have 2 years left of your studies, is that right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Where do you see yourself going after graduation? I know that's a hard question.
Oh man, there's so many different avenues that I would like to explore. I've thought a couple times about doing a master's just because I love learning so much. I might also look in the surveying industry. I love being hands-on, like being on the ships and seeing how everything works and why this happens when this happens is like huge. So being able to explore all the different kinds of boats and stuff like that, that would be really cool. I don't know. I really don't know. That's a hard question.
See where the Gale Force wins.
There you go. I like that one.
Awesome. Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Abbigail, for joining us this morning. It was really great to get to know you, and wish you well in your studies.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much for being here and helping out this week.
Thank you.
Blue Metric is your partner and works with Atlantic Canadian industries and organizations who are concerned about the water health of our planet and the people who inhabit it in an environmentally and culturally sensitive manner. Blue Metric joins the growing number of like-minded, innovative Atlantic Canadian companies who are changing the environmental landscape for the globe in a world-class way. World-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. We are mission ready water.